Hi there. So a previous video showed you how to make a backup using the free and open source CLI tool Corso of your Microsoft 365 data for OneDrive. This video is going to show you how to restore from that backup. And since generally OneDrive will have a bunch of files that we don't care particularly about, we don't need or want to restore, this is going to show you how to filter a little bit to only restore the files that you need. So let's start by listing our backups. We'll do Corso backup lists, and we only care about the OneDrive backups. And I've been experimenting a little bit, so obviously I have a whole bunch of backups that I've run recently. And you'll see all the requests in this video are going to run very fast because I'm using min.io to run a local S3 bucket. Okay, so here's that most recent backup for a single user. So we'll do Corso backup details, and we'll give it a backup ID. Oops, need to give it OneDrive as well. There we go. Now this is a little bit hard to see because of just the width of the text. So I'm going to switch to a wide view. Okay. And here we see this list of the files that were backed up here. Now, we see a whole bunch of files here, but actually you notice that actually almost all of them are in this folder called images, which is not what we care about at all. We're worried about a business case. So what we can do is, and again, sorry for the slightly tinier type, but I wanted to get the whole width of this. We'll do Corso backup details and give it the same backup ID. Let me grab that. And that's the backup ID. And then we'll scope this to just a single folder. Let's see here. Images, not what we care about. Invoices is what we actually want. So we'll give it this folder, invoices. Once again, I forgot to put in OneDrive. Sorry about that. It's the thing about typing in these commands live, you know. Okay, so that's looking quite a bit more manageable. Both the number of files to restore and that we're kind of scoping it correctly. So now our final command, we might actually go ahead and just use this guy. And instead of backup, we'll do Corso restore. So it's Corso restore, not restire, thank you. OneDrive, and then the backup ID, and then just the invoices folder. Again, both because of the number of files and because we have a local S3 bucket, this will run super quick. And there we go. Our files are restored and visible in OneDrive. Okay, that's the short version. There's a full guide to the CLI linked down below in the description. Thanks so much for checking it out.